makers, Happy New Year and welcome back to 3D printed soup. Now those of you with kids will know how important it is to keep your children away from your dangerous and delicate 3D printing equipment. Now in my studio here, slash home office, slash arcade, slash whatever the hell I need it to be at any given time, there are quite a few dangerous and delicate things. I keep all the poisons in a locked cupboard well away from anywhere. That's all out and away. I keep all my sharp stuff way out of reach up here, but there's still things in here which I don't want my daughter to get her hands on. But with a 4-year-old, it's difficult to actually convince them to leave things alone. And yes, of course, I do have a lock on the door, which I put on every night when I'm not there. I had a look on some of the 3D printing websites and there's a load of really simple and easy ways you can put signs on doors just to show when you can and can't come in. I mean, there's loads of, caution filming, but I don't want caution filming. I want simple, easy to understand by children when they can and can't enter the particular room. I've 3D printed some of these and I'm going to test them out and see which ones work best. Before we do, however, thanks to everyone who's liked and subscribed. 2024 was a fantastic year for the channel and hoping 2025 is even better. If you haven't liked and subscribed, click the bell to know about notifications and drag your cursor down, hit the subscribe button and welcome to the celebration of the new year, which is 3D printed soup. Party poppers are in the corner. Don't forget to put on a silly hat before you leave. Let's get on and 3D print ourselves some signage just to stop people wandering into the studio when I'm recording or when I'm busy working on something which might be dangerous, which is most of the time. Let's give this a try. With those printed, I gave them to my daughter and asked her to see which one she liked best. We had a bit of a test run and coming in at third place is this one. It's just says stop on it, but there's a bit of extra writing. It's quite small and it sort of hangs on the door. It's not really that interesting. There's no sort of interactivity. It's just a bit, that'll work with adults, but I don't think it'll work with kids. This one, I like it. I like the design, but once again, it's got words and they're a bit small, and yeah, it works with adults, but saying busy and free might be a bit complicated. Now this one is absolutely perfect. Just your regular traffic light system. Green, you can come in. Red, do not. That's simple. She got that straight away, and yeah, I think I'll be using this one, from now on. As I say, I'm going to keep the room secure anyway when I'm not here, but when I am in here working, it's great to be able to just say yes, no, in a simple analogue, red or green, one of the two, and she understands that when it's green, she can come in, when it's red, maybe just give it a knock or don't bother coming in at all. Perfect stuff, should keep her nice and safe. Remember, 3D printing equipment is hot, it's sharp, it's dangerous. If you've got children or animals, or just other people in the house who don't really understand it or don't know how to work it, just make sure they're aware when it's on and make sure they're aware when they can and can't enter. Keep your family safe and everything will be beautiful. So, thanks everyone for watching 3D Printed Soup. Stay happy, stay safe, keep printing. 2004 was a great year for the channel. 2004, how old am I?